Hello everyone, welcome to this amazing platform. I am Shruti, your French trainer. Today we are going to learn about greetings. As you can see here, greetings. Greetings in French means les salutations. Les salutations. So today we are going to learn about how to say hello, bye-bye, see you tomorrow, see you later, or what is your name? My name is XYZ. So today we are going to learn about all these words or vocabularies. Now let's move further. So here we have bonjour. Bonjour, it means hello, as you can see here. This one is ça va. Ça va means how are you? So ça va means how are you? So this is ça va. This one is bonne nuit. Bonne nuit means good night. Now please pay attention here that I have heard many of my students, they try to pronounce bonne nuit as bonne nuit. Then I would say it's totally wrong. So it is bonne nuit. It is bonne nuit. Bonne nuit. Let's move further. Now this is salut. It also means hello. Let's go back. Here we had bonjour and here we have salut. I am pretty sure that you might be a little confused here between bonjour and between salut. So don't worry. Salut also means hello and bonjour means good morning or hello. But you can use bonjour with formal groups. For example, at your school or with your colleagues or in a meeting, you can use bonjour. But if you are with your friends at that time, you can use salut. Salut, hello. Okay, next one is à bientôt. À bientôt means see you soon. This is bonsoir. Bonsoir means good evening. This is au revoir. I repeat. This is au revoir. Au revoir means goodbye. This one is easy and this is also easy. So monsieur. Monsieur means sir. Madame. Madame means madam. Let's move further. Now, if you want to ask how are you, so you can use this formation, that is comment ça va? How are you? Comment ça va? How are you? Now, if you want to reply that I am feeling good or I am good, so you can use this ça va bien. Ça va bien means it's good, it's going good, or I'm good. Now, if you're not feeling good, you may be upset. So at that time, you can use ça va mal. So you can use this ça va mal. So ça va mal means it's bad. I am bad, as you can see here. Now, you can also use this comme ci, comme ça. I know that comme ci, comme ça means so-so, but comme ci, comme ça means, for example, on one hand you are feeling a bit happy and simultaneously on the other hand you are a bit sad due to any reason. So at that time you can use this comme ci, comme ça. So comme ci, comme ça means so and so. Now let's move further. If you want to ask name, so how are you going to ask? So there are two different ways of asking name. One is this and another one is this. Let's try to put more emphasis on this. Comment vous appelez-vous? What is your name? Comment vous appelez-vous? Okay, so comment vous appelez-vous means what is your name. Now let's try to see this one. Comment t'appelles-tu? What is your name? Comment t'appelles-tu? What is your name? Now let me tell you the difference between comment vous appelez-vous and comment t'appelles-tu. So the first one, comment vous appelez-vous, you will use with the people with whom you are working. For example, at office or at school, But comment t'appelles-tu you will use with the people who are your friends. Alright? Okay, let's move further. Now, if you want to reply that my name is Dominique, my name is Sarah. So there are two ways of replying or giving your name. First one is Je m'appelle Dominique. My name is Dominique. Je m'appelle Dominique. And the another way is Je suis Sophie. I am Sophie. Okay, so it is Je suis Sophie. Now we have these two terms, à plus tard and à demain. If you want to say see you later or see you tomorrow, you can use à plus tard for see you later, and you can use à demain for see you tomorrow. Now let's try to put emphasis on its pronunciation. So it is à plus tard. À plus tard. And this is à demain. À demain. Amazing. So it was all for today. Merci beaucoup.